What's going on? What's going on? What is going on? Yo, it's Nori. Hey, I'm on this trip, like I said, on this trip to Galveston, Texas for this Lone Star Rally. This is our second gas stop, and we're right in between Tuskegee, Alabama, and Montgomery, Alabama at the moment on off of I-85. Gigi, the Road Glide. She's doing good. She's doing good. And let me come over here. My boy V with his Road Glide over here is doing good as well. We traveling, we getting it done. All right, we getting done. And then I don't know where we're gonna stop. We're just gonna keep going until we get tired. We'll figure it out. And then see how far we gonna get to. So I'll probably gonna record a little bit of the ride, and we'll see where we go from there. I'll catch y'all on the next gas stop. Look at the glides. We ain't got too much farther to go. Well, to Mobile, I should say. We got about another hour and some change from Mobile. So this is gas stop number 3, I believe. And we just gonna keep hitting the road. I'll catch you out there. Hey yo, we're here in Mobile, Alabama. It's still early. We already punched in about 545 miles, give or take a few. And then we just linked up with another rider. I'm about to show y'all his bike, and then we're gonna just keep pushing it through until we decide to call it quits for the day and probably pick it up. So I'm gonna turn the camera around. I'm gonna show you this bike. So don't all y'all dog them all at the same time, all right? So this is what you got right there. He's got a Victory. So that's what he riding with. All right. right, the bike's still doing good, running like a champ, no problem. We're about to fuel up here, and then like I said, fuel up, and we're gonna just keep it moving. All right, so we'll see what else we get into on today's ride down to Galveston. See y'all in a little bit.
On the way, we came to play. Yeah, we came to play. We on the way. You know, yeah, we on the way. We came to play. Alright now, we came to play. We on the way. Like right now, on the track, man. Get it back, man. In the fast lane, with my feet up. Remember bad days when no cash came. Check the bag, man. See the real. Never bought me, always fresh. Had to get it off the reps. Now I'm on a trip with my little ones. Keep it coming, we the best. I can never look a mess. I impressed and I watch the paper still come. We on the way, we came to play. Yeah, we came to play. We on the way. You know, yeah, we on the way. We came to play. Alright now, we came to play. We on the way. Like right now, on the come up, got my funds up, on the 1-1, I believe that, for my loved ones, and my son, I go down, you don't see that, put it now, like the rest, I'm not saying I'm the best, but I know I never fold when it slows down, had to get it on my chest, I don't hit the disrespect, do it for the one who knows how it goes down, we on the way, we came to play, yeah, we came to play, we on the way, you know, yeah, we on the way, we came to play, alright now, we came to play, we on the way, like right now. I didn't come here to play, I didn't come here for games, I stay away from these lanes. I didn't come here to play, I didn't come here to play, I didn't come here for games, I stay away from these lanes. Me, I just stayed in my lane. We on the way, we came to play. Yeah, we came to play, we on the way. You know, yeah, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play, we on the way, like right now.
Hey yo, once again, hey, as you can see, we made it to our final destination for today, day 1 at the Holiday Inn in Hammond, Louisiana. Both bikes are still running good, running great, no issues whatsoever. We bust down 700 miles today. Got here a couple hours ago, already ate and stuff like that. But hey, this is gonna be it for day 1. We're gonna pick it up again tomorrow for day 2. We're gonna ride from Hammond, Louisiana to Beaumont, Texas to pick someone up, and then finally all the way down to Galveston. So stay tuned for some more videos coming right up.